problem of the day is a special edition problem of the day brought to you by Nike. Nike, the official supplier of the NBA jerseys.
Look at the hustle of Lamar Odom. Off to Kobe Bryant. And Kobe with emphasis. Artest looking, gets it to Bryant. Bryant dribbling, has to put it up with the buzzer. Banks it in! He banks in the three! And the Lakers win the game! And that is just greatness personified.
Now Bryant again, out between the rings, guarded by Pippen. Kobe on the move. Lobs for O'Neal. With a dunk! Kobe Bryant worked into the lane, and Shaq hammered it in with the right hand. Timeout, Portland.
The Lakers, because of this man, Kobe Bryant, will take over. Posterizes Dwight Howard. He almost threw his elbow into the basket that time.
Spurs cannot buy a triple. Kobe wheeling. What a play to Turiaf. And the foul.
And a chance to tie.
What a delivery by Kobe Bryant.
Rotation of Bryant. Buckle up for Kobe. Kobe Bryant just sucked the gravity out of the target center. What a play.
The windmill slam.
Long run out by Kobe Bryant. Behind. Oh! What did I just see? You just saw what Kobe does best, and that's bring people to their feet with a sensational play.
Kobe got a dribble drive, change of direction by Bryant. Slam dunk.
Woo! You talk about elevation. Chick, he went up to the rafters before he decided to put somebody on a poster.
They'd love to get it into Nash's hands, and they do. Ball knocked away, stolen by Parker. Here comes George to Kobe Bryant. Bryant inside. It's good. It's good. Tie game.
A one-point game.
Walton to Tippett. Bryant with the save.
Oh, you gotta get a shot here.
Final seconds. Bryant for the win. Bang! Kobe Bryant has hit a shot at the buzzer.
4 away from Elgin Baylor's Laker record. Yes! Well, there's 70. Everybody wants it to get into Kobe's hand. Kobe pump fake for 2. Kobe's got the Laker record. 81-point game. Ladies and gentlemen, you have witnessed the second greatest scoring performance in NBA history.
All right, guys, there it is. Some classic Kobe footage there for you. Let's take a look at today's problem. Kobe's teammates spent 2 hours a day practicing. This was half as much time as Kobe spent practicing. If Kobe practiced 5 days a week, how many hours a week did he spend practicing, guys? All right, guys, you know what time it is. It's time to pause the video here so you can solve the problem. Once you've finished solving this bad boy, go ahead and press that play button, and I'll go over the answer for you guys. All right, welcome back, guys. Let's go ahead and go over the answer to this bad boy. I'm going to go ahead and draw a picture so I can visualize the problem. I'll be using my purple marker in honor of Kobe Bryant, guys, and his purple and gold Lakers colors. So the first step, guys, is we need to see that we have his teammates spent 2 hours a day practicing, and this was 1/2. So it says 2 hours a day. This was 1/2 as much. So 2 hours, guys, is equal to half of what Kobe did. So 2 hours is just half of how much Kobe practiced. So if I, let's go ahead and switch to some yellow. No, let's keep the purple, guys. If I draw my, my fraction box, And next, I need to let's pick some gold here for Lakers. All right, I went ahead and drew 2 sections, guys. Why? Because my denominator, guys, is 2. All right, my denominator is 2. That means that I have 2 sections. 1, 2. Now 2 hours. All right, that's just one of the sections. So I can go ahead and put a 2 in here. Half is 2 hours. This whole thing, guys, both of these equals how much Kobe practiced. All right. So that means if there's 2 in this half, there's also 2 hours in this half. So we have Kobe equals 2 plus 2. Now we should be pretty happy about that one, guys. 2 plus 2. Hopefully we're getting 4 for that one, guys. 4. So we have Kobe practiced 4 hours a day. Each day, guys, 4 hours. So let's go back to our problem. Are we done? No. It says if he practiced 5 days a week. We only figured out for 1 day. So how many days a week did he spend practicing if he practiced 5 days? So let's go back now. We have 4 hours, and we need to set up a multiplication problem. So let's set that up down here. So we have 4 hours a day times 5 days, guys. 5 days equals what? Well, I can actually use my 5 here and skip count 4 times. So 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, so if I count up 4 5s, I get 20. And it's not 20 minutes a day, guys. It's 20 hours a day. 20 hours. All right, so let's go back to our problem. How many hours a week did Kobe spend practicing? He spent 20 hours a week practicing. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's special edition of the Problem of the Day. Tune in tomorrow for another exciting